everyone, it's Gail Banks with Gail Banks Creates. Welcome to my channel. I want to thank all of my subscribers. I truly appreciate all your love and support. Guys, I'm on today to share a quick project with you all. And the only thing I use is in this box. This is the Diamond Press B card kit. And I picked this up the last HSN craft day, and it has everything in here that you need to create a card. You get 97 pieces of paper ephemera, you get 20 3D bee stickers, you get 91 honey drop enamel stickers. Of course, you get envelopes and cards, and here's the decorative box. You also get these little paper die cuts in this theme, as well as these frames. That's not it. There's more. And you also get some rub-on sheets that's in this white and gray, as well as this, this gold, and then some inspiration. So I love a card making kit, especially when you get everything in it. So I'm not going to take things out to show you, but this idea sheet really pretty much showed you what was in the kit. So I made 2 cards, quick cards. Let me share those with you. I did one in portrait and one in landscape. And other than, what did I do? I just added some jimmies from my gems, but everything else, I didn't use the gems in the kit. I just used ones I had, but everything else came out of the kit. So let me give you a closer look at this one. Isn't that pretty? Sorry. So as I said, here's the card that came with the kit. That's those papers, the ephemera. That was in the kit, and these were just what I added. Isn't that pretty? And I haven't done anything to the inside. I just did the outside of the card. Okay? Here's the second one, and I think this is one of my favorites. I did pop up my sentiments and everything. But isn't that pretty? Like I said, everything came out of the kit. And the insides, I haven't done that yet. Okay? So here are just a quick project shares from using that Diamond Press B card kit. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Why don't you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to be notified of new video uploads? Leave a comment below. I will eventually get to my comments. Now, I don't know if HSN still has this kit in stock because this is July and it's time for another HSN crafting day. I believe it's the week of the 13th, the 11th, 12th, 13th, something like that. But I know Beth Kingston is going to do a preview of what's coming up. But as for this kit, I don't know if it's sold out on HSN or not. I want you guys to continue to take care of one another, continue to be safe, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye.